My name is Lacrasse and this is Greenstream Flooring. We're a South Wales organisation. What we do here is we offer a nationwide recovery service for the reuse and recycling of carpet tiles. Carpet tiles are considered a waste product, and we have found markets with social housing tenants. Well, basically, we've seen a niche in the market for low-income families where they couldn't afford flooring. It's a common story, and we found that this was a product that was being landfilled. Over 3 million tonnes of carpet tiles were landfilled in the southwest alone last year, and we are trying to resolve that. Well, we recently ran the CRUK Member of the Year and the Resource Business Management of the Year. We also, last year alone, we diverted over 530 tonnes of carpet tile. Well, in the future, we're hoping to open a London site, so we're central. We're also hoping to expand our premises in the South Wales area and hopefully to divert more carpet tiles.